Hey guys, it's me Johan, and today we're going to be seeing what's inside a hard drive. Whee! So, let's get into it. Now, before we begin this video, a sub and a like to this channel would be fantastic. Now, anyway, back to the topic. I got this hard drive from my previous video, which was what's inside a laptop, and that's where I got this hard drive from. If you want to check out that video, links are in the description. And yeah, okay, check that video out. It was awesome. Anyway, got a hard drive, got my tools. Oh, there are my tools over there. So let's see what's inside a hard drive. And guys, after that time lapse, you can now see that I have now completed opening my hard drive. Pliers, ready? Guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that thing just come. Oh, that's so cool. Guys, this is like the circuit board that connects to your motherboard. Super cool, right? Nice, like has ESTM circuits, Seagates, like chips and stuff. It's really nice. So that's the circuit. Okay, let's flip this over for 1 sec. Okay, open this. Guys, check this out. You can literally, like, it's so reflective. I think you guys could even see the camera. I'm not sure. I'm gonna bring it up closer, guys. It's just so cool. You guys can see the reflection of the camera. Look at the platters. Bit of sweat. Awesome, I know, right? Just don't know why this thing won't just pop off easily like the circuit board. Woohoo! The hard drive! Woo! Guys, can you see it? This Platters and the Spindle thing. Guys, it appears like I can remove all of this. Guys, I've got my screwdriver now, and yeah, it's just the individual platters. It's surprisingly, I thought it would be like a DVD, you know, the reflected thing, but or you'd see some magnets or something. But sadly, it's not like that, but cool. It's got a reflective. Why won't this come out? Bit of noise. Okay. I literally actually cracked this out. Oh my god, I've got... So, guys, this is what we have from our hard drive. A completely battered and broken case with a spindle inside of it. We got a platter. We got the weird thing, cover, the magnetic thing, PCB board, the top case, bunch of screws, it's protective case, it's ribbon cable thing. Yeah, cool. Okay, guys, I've hoped you enjoyed this video and seeing what's inside this very old 160 GB hard drive. I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome video. Please share this with your friends and subscribe and like this video, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video where I'm going to be hopefully opening up the DVD CD thing that I got from the computer. Also, go check out that video. The link is also in the description. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye!